Hello and welcome to this week's newscast from PEI. I'm Kelvin Ross. In this week's headlines, experts are warning that a total solar eclipse next month will be an unprecedented test for Europe's electricity system. Wärtsilä and Shanghai Electric Power have signed a deal for a power plant in Malta. Siemens has won a $400 million contract to expand a power and desalination plant in Dubai. And the HVDC underground cable system that passes through the Pyrenees Mountains to interconnect France and Spain has been inaugurated. Parts of Europe are bracing themselves for energy disruption during a total solar eclipse which is due on Friday the 20th of March. The eclipse is predicted to last for 4 hours, during which time around 35 gigawatts of solar power is expected to fade from grids across Europe before gradually returning. A report this week from Europe's Transmission System Operators Trade Group, ENTSO-E, said that the countries with the highest level of solar penetration, and thus those at the greatest risk of power disruption, were Germany, Italy, Spain, France and Belgium. While ENTSO-E said that it has been planning what it called appropriate countermeasures for several months, it warned that the risk of a serious incident cannot be completely ruled out. The group added that the eclipse would be an unprecedented test for Europe's electricity system. Finnish engineering company Wärtsilä has signed a deal with China's Shanghai Electric Power to convert a heavy fuel oil plant in Malta to run on natural gas. The agreement marks the first contract signed between Wärtsilä and Shanghai Electric, which last year bought a stake in Malta's electricity provider, Eni Malta. The 140 megawatt Delimara power plant was commissioned in 2012 and currently operates on 8 Wärtsilä heavy fuel oil engines, which will all be converted to run on natural gas. The work will begin in January 2016, as is expected to be completed later that year in October. Siemens has won a $400 million contract from Dubai Electricity and Water Authority for the expansion of a gas-fired power and desalination plant. The 2,060 megawatt combined cycle plant called M-Station is to receive 2 new gas turbine generators, 2 heat recovery steam generators and 1 back press turbine, which will increase its capacity to 2,700 megawatts and its thermal efficiency from 82.4% to 85.8%. The expansion project has been managed by Mott MacDonald and is scheduled for completion in April 2018. The plant is in the port town of Jebel Ali and is the UAE's largest power and desalination facility. In addition to electricity, it produces 140 million gallons of desalinated water every day. A high-voltage direct current underground cable system interconnecting France and Spain has been inaugurated. The $100 million project was undertaken by Italian cable company Prysmian on behalf of the Spanish and French grid operators. The cable runs underground for 64 kilometres, including 8.5 kilometres in a purpose-built tunnel through the Pyrenees. It links substations near Perpignan in France and Figueres in Spain. Prysmian said the project improves security of supply between France and Spain, as well as boosts electricity market integration in southwest Europe. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.